So, ever feel like you're playing catch up with AI? Like everyone else gets it and you're not? We're about to walk through a workbook that's designed to change all that, and change it fast. It's called the AI Emergency Workshop, and it is all about action. Right away, the workbook hits you with this really powerful idea. It's basically saying, hey, the time to sit around and just talk about AI, that's over. The future isn't coming, it's already here. This shift is happening right now, and we've got to pay attention.
But, why the dramatic name? An AI emergency? Well, the workbook frames it like this. We're at a massive fork in the road, and the choices we make today with AI, they're going to have some pretty huge consequences down the line.
And this really lays out the stakes, doesn't it? The workbook says there are basically two paths you can take. You can be one of the people who jumps in, learns these tools, and starts to lead and create. Or you can be on the other path, the one where you're kind of left behind, just trying to keep your head above water.
Okay, so what's the answer to this emergency? Well, the workbook solution is refreshingly simple and direct, an action-oriented workshop. It's a hands-on response to a hands-on problem. And here's the core philosophy, which is honestly what makes it so different. This is not about long lectures or complicated theory. Nope. It's all about getting your hands dirty. The main idea is super simple. You're going to learn by doing.
And they are absolutely not kidding about getting you up to speed fast. The entire thing is designed to take just 3 hours. It's a high-intensity sprint, really. It's meant to give you a powerful, practical foundation and to do it as quickly as possible.
This isn't just about cramming your head with facts. The real goal here is empowerment. It's all about building your confidence so you can look at a problem and immediately think, oh, I know an AI tool for that. Whether it's for a creative project, for learning something new, or maybe even to make some money.
All right, so enough with the big ideas. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are you actually going to be doing in this workshop? This is where we look at the real tools and the tasks you'll be tackling.
So the toolkit kicks off with the heavy hitters, ChatGPT and Gemini. You've probably heard of them. These are some of the most powerful language models out there. Think of them like your creative sidekick, ready to help with anything from brainstorming ideas to writing song lyrics. But it doesn't stop there. The workshop also gets you into some really cool specialized tools. You'll use something called Suno AI to turn those lyrics you wrote into actual music. And then there are other handy tools that can automate boring stuff, like filling out web forms. It's a really diverse little toolkit.
And this is where it gets really fun, the actual stuff you create. We're talking about generating your own unique songs, designing professional-looking business cards, and even taking old family photos and magically bringing them to life as little videos.
And on the practical side of things, the skills are just as cool. Imagine being able to generate a video summary of a dense textbook, or getting an audio briefing from a super long PDF report, or even just using your phone's camera to identify objects around you. These are serious productivity boosters.
Let's just break one of these down. Making a video overview of a book. Sounds complicated, right? Well, the workbook shows you it's literally 3 simple steps. First, you upload a PDF of the book. Second, you just ask it for an overview. You can even tell it what language to use, like Urdu. And third, NotebookLM just generates the video. It makes the whole process feel so much less intimidating.
So, you've done the 3 hours. You've built some amazing things. Now what? Well, this final section is really a call to action. It frames the workshop not as the end of the road, but as the starting line.
I love this quote because it really captures the whole spirit of the workshop. The focus immediately shifts from, what did you just learn, to, okay, what are you going to do now? This whole experience isn't the destination, it's the launch pad.
And in the end, the workbook treats AI like any other skill, like learning an instrument or a new language. It needs practice. The message is pretty blunt: use it or lose it. And that constant practice is what's going to separate the people who lead from the people who follow.
And it all leads up to this final piece of advice. It's not a suggestion, it's a command. It's saying, take these tools, take this new confidence you have, and start building the future you want to see, starting right now.
Which, of course, leaves us with the most important question of all, the one the entire workbook has been building towards. After you've seen what's possible, after you've gotten your hands on these incredible tools, there's really only one thing left to ask yourself. What are you going to build first?